Here's how to change the keyboard language on Android. Now, if you open up your Android phone keyboard, you'll be able to see I'm using the Google Gboard. Let's walk through changing that language from English US, which is what I normally use. What you're looking for is the little gear icon on the keyboard. If you don't see it, you can just tap on those 4 squares, and then again, just navigate around until you find the keyboard. And now once you're in here, it's super easy. Just tap on languages at the top, and English US is my default. But I can just tap add a keyboard. And let's say in this case, I wanted to add a Spanish keyboard. You can choose multilingual typing and English US, and I'm going to hit done. And now I'm going to go back in here and I'll show you how this works. So if I'm in here, all I need to do to switch between the two is hold down on the space bar. And you can see that will allow me to switch to a different keyboard. Again, to switch between the two, just hold down the space bar and then select which keyboard you wanted to, or you can always delete out the old language and just have it to a new language that you don't need to switch back and forth from. I hope this helps. If you don't mind, take a second and leave a comment down below with your feedback. Let me know, was this legitimately helpful for you, or are you still having issues on your Android phone? Thanks, guys.